Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Trello templates for product roadmaps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Trello templates for product roadmaps, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Trello website. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up. Log in to your existing Trello account. Once logged in, access the Trello template gallery. You can find the gallery by clicking on the templates link in the main menu. In the template gallery, use the search bar to look for product roadmaps. Browse through the available templates to find one that suits your needs. Click on the template to view more details about it. Take note of the features and descriptions to ensure it's a good fit. Once you've selected a template, click the Use Template button. You will be redirected to a new board created from the template. Customize the board as needed to fit your specific project requirements. To save the template for future use, you can click on the Show Menu button on the right. From the menu, select More and then choose Copy Board. Name your new board and confirm the copying process. Now you have your own version of the template to work with. To share the template with others, click on Invite in the board menu. Enter the email addresses of individuals you wish to collaborate with. Inform them of any permissions you want them to have. Once everyone is invited, you can start collaborating on your product roadmap. Ensure to explore other features in Trello to maximize your productivity. With this guide, you are now equipped to download and customize Trello templates for your product roadmaps effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.